Hi guys, the new update iOS 14.3 is out now and it has many new features and bug fix. You can now update your iPhone to iOS 14.3. To do so, from your home screen, you can tap on the settings page. In settings, you can go to general and then go down and tap on software update. Now the phone will go ahead and check for any new update. If there is, you can tap on the install button. To install, I have already tapped on the install button. It will take around 15 minutes. Now it is 12 minutes remaining. Now if you tap on the learn more button, you can see all the new updates available for 14.3. Now there is a new Apple service, Apple Fitness Plus. There is also a subscription fee that you need to pay in order to use this. Then there is AirPods Max, and this will give you greater control over your audio quality. Then you got photos. In photos, you got Apple ProRaw, and allow you to take photos in RAW format, but with additional settings that you can change after you have taken the photos. Then you got update to privacy, TV app clips, health, weather, and Safari. You'll be able to add in a new search engine, Ecosia search engine into Safari. And then there are some other bug fix with your new update, such as SMS messages may not be received, and other messages notifications. Sometimes you may not receive message notifications. Then this is the fix for you. So a lot of bug fix on this one. So make sure that you update to iOS 14.3 to get new features and updates. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.